Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go here under the phone application and then click here on the right upper corner to more icons. Here you'll see the blocked section settings. Click here and click on the right upper corner to settings icon again, and here you'll see the blacklist. Click there, and as you can see here we got the two blacklists on our blacklist. Just to remove one from these numbers, hold for a while the number, and for example we can remove two numbers at the same time from our blacklist, and click here to remove. Now just read here that the select numbers will be removed from the blacklist. Yes, we want to do that, so confirm here to remove. And that's it. That's how to remove numbers from blacklist on our HUAWEI P50 Pocket. So that's it. That's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.